explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 25 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension. So what are these comprehensions? Let me tell you very quickly. Comprehension का मतलब होता है the level of your understanding a language, right? कि आप किसी चीज़ को रीड करके कितना समझ सकते हो. So comprehensions में basically क्या होता है? There are some kind of paragraphs or the passages, right? There might be some short stories also, no matter. So उन stories को हमें read करना होता है, right? Then after this story we have some questions जिनके answers उसी story में छिपे होते हैं. And then on the basis of our reading we have to answer those questions, right? So let's begin with the chapter and see how we can compete with the comprehensions, right? So let's understand. So first of all they are telling us कि comprehension क्या होता है. So ability to understand what one reads is called as comprehension. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि आपके समझने की क्षमता, राइट, जो भी एक पर्सन रीड कर रहा है उसको वो कितना समझ आ रहा है उसको कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कहा जाता है, राइट. सो वी हैव एग्जाम्पल ओवर हियर एंड दे से रीड द फॉलोइंग पैराग्राफ एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो. सबसे पहले हमें इस पैराग्राफ को रीड करना है और फिर जो क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं उनके आंसर्स यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. So let's read the paragraph very quickly. So it says the television is the cheapest and the most popular source of entertainment. Due to its popularity, it has become a serious rival to the cinema. One has to go out of home to see cinema. But television can be seen in the comfort of one's home or office at any time. Moreover, if a program is not liked, other channels can be turned, which is not the case with cinema. Today, television programmers are telecast round the clock, including cinemas, right? So, let's now answer the following questions जो कि हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. So, the first question is, why has television become a serious rival to the cinema? तो televisions एक serious rival क्यों बन चुके हैं cinemas को, right? So, because the television is the cheapest and most popular source of entertainment. So, due to its popularity, it has become a serious rival to the cinema. Next, where does one need to go to see a cinema? तो जब भी किसी को सिनेमा देखने के लिए जाना हो तो उसे कहाँ जाना पड़ता है? One has to go out of home to see the cinema, right? Next, what is the cheapest source of entertainment? So, obviously we all have read this over here. Once again, the television is the cheapest and most popular source of entertainment. Correct? So you saw that सभी answers जो थे इन questions के वो सभी इन paragraphs में छिपे हुए थे. Now, they say write down the opposite meanings from the paragraph of the following words. तो अब हमें ये जो words paragraph में दिए गए थे इनके opposite words लिखने हैं, right? So जल्दी से लिखते हैं. So just opposite meanings लिखने हैं हमें. So सबसे पहला है cheap. So cheap का opposite होता है expensive, right? So let's write expensive over here. Next is popular. So popular का opposite हो सकता है noble, right? Popular, right? Next, we have complete the spellings. So, इन सभी spellings को हमें complete करना है. So, let's try to complete these spellings, right? So, let's try to complete these spellings. So, this can be turned. T-U-R-N-E-D. Turned. Next is serious. So, S-E-R-I-O-U-S. Serious. Next is telecast. T-E-L-E-C-A-S-T. Telecast. Next is cinema. C-I-N-E-M-A. Cinema. Correct? So, that was all. That how we can read the paragraphs and answer the questions of the followings, right? Next, we have a lot more sample questions for you so that you can read these paragraphs and try to solve them so that you have a clear idea how we can read the paragraphs and answer the questions, right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.